realities of playing the violin. You cannot upgrade your way out of bad playing or bad sound. Akala ng iba, once you buy a more expensive instrument, it will automatically make your playing better or will make your sound better. But in reality, that is really not the case, no? So kung pangit talaga yung tunog mo, pangit talaga yan kahit mamahalin yung instrument. Instead of buying or upgrading to a new instrument without really checking yourself or checking your skills, I would suggest na humanap ka muna ng lessons and let a teacher assess kung kailangan mo na talaga mag-upgrade or not. Because sometimes a lot of people get frustrated kasi pangit daw yung tunog nila or pangit yung sound ng violin. Bakit ganito yung sound ng violin ko? Tunog lata and whatever. Yes, there would be factors na ganun talaga, pangit talaga yung sound pag mumurahin, mas maganda talaga yung sound ng mas mamahalin. But if you are not the one upskilling, no, leveling up your skills, it would still sound the same, no? Practically the same pa rin yung magiging tunog mo. And this is not just because of what I hear, but personal experience ko na din, no? Sa mga students ko who tried my instrument or tried buying up pero hindi naman din nagpa-practice, akala nila ganun lang. Hindi talaga. It's not an advisable thing to do. It's not even also practical to upgrade but not focus on your skills. Kasi nga sa violin, whatever you put in, that's what comes out, no? Your violin is an extension of your body, and if you don't put in the work, your sound quality will remain the same. So better option is kung pwede pa naman talaga yung violin, no? Of course, kung hindi maayos, ipa-set up. And yun nga, kung siguro best case lang para bumili is kung mas mahal pa yung setup kesa dun sa bagong violin. That would be, I would highly suggest doing that. But kung meron kang decent violin na tumutunog, maayos, and you just want to improve your sound, better put that money or budget first to better yourself, no? Lesson muna bago bili ng bago. Kasi yes, masarap talaga tumugtog sa mas bagong instrument, 'di ba? Mas nakakagana. But if you're not upgrading your skills with your upgrading of the instrument, hindi rin gaganda yung tunog mo. At hindi rin niya masosolusyonan yung bad habits mo na ma-develop. So, yun, to save you from frustration and spending a lot more than you should, better check kung pwede ka na ba talaga, kailangan mo na ba talaga mag-upgrade, or you just need lessons. But of course, your money, your rules, and yun lang ang masasuggest ko for now. So follow for more, and I'll see you on the next one.